Sitting in my car, trying to remember what you said to me, sitting next to me.
Thank you so much, everybody, for spending your Friday evening with us in the theater at the Celia Center Arts Festival. I thank you so much again. I want to take this moment to thank Leo Garcia and Patrick Henley and the Highways Performance Space. Is this an amazing space? Yes. They are co-producing and housing our little humble event here, so thank you so much.
7. Why don't you like kimchi? 8. You don't look Korean. 9. You should really watch the Joy Luck Club. 10. I know a Korean adoptee who went on one of those Korean TV shows for reunions and met their birth mom. Have you tried that? 11. Have you dated your brother? You're not biologically related, so... 12. You're lucky you were adopted. At least you didn't have to grow up in an orphanage. 13. Why haven't you searched for your birth family? 14. Why haven't you gone back to Korea? 15. You know, I'm second generation Korean American, not adopted, but we have so much in common. 16. My partner and I are planning to adopt. You got any advice? 17. Are you 100% Korean? 18. You should be thankful you got to go to America. 19. How long have you been studying English?
In New York, we heard the peace bell chime rang out his name like a fortress in Spain as the clock lost time.
No one told me that daily I'd think of you for decades. Again, no words, just a well of feelings for my baby blue and wanting to crawl out of my skin. But I get present. I breathe, upright my spine. Another mother, other mothers and fathers call me present.
It's August 16th, 1978. I just turned 7 years old, and I'm about to go meet the Kopatowski family for the first time in my life. And here comes Barbara in a taxi. Are you ready, Jeanette?
But I don't want to go.
It's time. The Kopatowskis are dying to meet you. They've heard so much about you. Why wouldn't you want to go?
'Cause I'm not staying there.
Well, we're only going to have lunch. That's it, lunch, so I don't know what you're worried about.
But I don't want to go.
But 5 minutes later, I'm sitting next to Barbara in a taxi. And she's got this worried look on her face like we're in the wrong neighborhood or something. She's wondering which house it is in the block. When we finally pull up in this driveway, which has like this beat up old Ford junk car. And I'm thinking, this is it.
Excuse me, mister? Are you sure this is the right one?
This is a nice family, Jeanette. You should do very well here. I should do well here. Didn't she say I was just having lunch here?
Even though it didn't stop the tremendous pain I felt due to missing my adoptive mother and father, post-reunion I felt more connected to being white, human, and Jewish, and had a better understanding of my energy and physical being. My cognitive racial identity came to life in a way that it hadn't been before. In the past, I had known that I was multiracial, but now it was much more real because I now knew my birth mother and had pictures of my birth father to prove it.
And I did get some pictures from my DNA cousin too, and Judith does kind of look like me. Like she looks like me with boobs. And she stands like me, which is crazy because I guess she walked on her toes just like I do. And she does kind of look like me, and that freaks me the fuck out. Because I have never known, okay? I have never known what it feels like to see somebody else, meaning I'm not just looking at me, meaning I'm not just looking in a mirror, who really, truly, seriously looks like me. Like yeah.